Hey guys, we are staying at Disney's Port Orleans Resort Riverside, and today we're going to give you a room tour. This is a standard 2-queen with pull down pool view room, and so we're going to show you throughout it. I love this room. This resort is beautiful, so let's check it out. First off, like I said, I'm room 2534, and it's a pool view, so this is a beautiful view. We did just get in. It's later at night, but I wanted to show you the room in its natural state, so let's head inside. When we first walk in, you are faced with a table and chairs, and this is in the Alligator Bayou section in building 25, and it really has that lodge feel, which is awesome. This is actually really helpful as well because you have two full-size chairs, which is great. And here's your window. We have it closed right now because it's out to the walkway, but if I were to open it, look at that, there is the pool. Very excited to see what that looks like in the morning. I love the detail of this. I love how it looks like it is this stitched together thing, and I love how that is rope. I think that is super neat. I don't know if I pointed out, but you have this mirror that looks very rusticy and things like that. You come over here and you have this is a pull-out bed with a bench, which that is super helpful, extra seating, but this looks like a box. It is near Christmas time when I'm recording this for Gile. If you know, you know. But this pulls down and has a little bed right here with that adorable picture behind there, and that is a great, subtle Princess and the Frog, Disney, but also not in your face, which I absolutely love. That is super cool, and that's super easy to take down and put away like that. So that is awesome. Here you have the 2 queen beds, and I love, look at this. This is a really great look right here. I love, as we come up here, the lanterns that make the lights, and I'll try to turn down the lighting. You can see it's kind of a rustic lanterny look on that, so that is really awesome. If you look in between the beds right here, you do see that you do have a little bit of storage. I like how this is a key that opens and closes, and then you do have some plugs and USBs right there. As we come over here, obviously you have the massive TV above. That's kind of high mounted, but I think it's okay. I think it looks good. Over here you do have like a shelf and a coat rack. I love this. You have a coffee maker. It makes 2 cups at once, which is great. And I love how the ice box fits in with the theme, and that is awesome. You do have plugs and USBs right here, which is great. And then down here, oh, look at that artwork on that. It's that metal, and then you do have a mini fridge there, which is great, and a little bit of extra shelving there. You have a really cool picture, the American Adventure Epcot World Showcase photo, and that's pretty neat as well. Coming into the bathroom, this bathroom is actually very large, which is pretty neat. I'll turn the light on there, and you can see that there's like a washboard down here, which is really cool as you're in the bathroom. And then you have a double vanity, which is a big deal. This mirror is backlit, and so it provides excellent lighting. That's why it looks so good right now. Just kidding, of course. But you do have one of these makeup mirrors right here that fold in and out, all the towels and the body lotion and soap here. Over here you have a place where you can hang coats or any clothing. That is not a closet, but it is just an area where you can do that, which is interesting. And this area actually does close off to the rest of the room via curtain, and that's kind of cool. Princess and the Frog themed, which is a pretty cool thing, but that's if you want privacy for just the sink. Now coming into here, you once again are gonna have a Princess and the Frog shower curtain, but you have the simple commode there with the towels, and the shower all around is this kind of made to look like wood stuff that really keeps you in the feel of the resort. And then it does have these bottles here on the wall, and I actually really love those. Guys, this room is absolutely awesome. It's a pretty decent sized room, bigger than the value rooms, not quite as big as deluxe rooms, but a great setup, a great place to stay from what we have experienced so far. So this room is beautiful. I would love if you wanted to check it out. If you need help booking this room, send me an email at ben@keystodreamtravel.com. My services are entirely free to you. I would love to help you book this room. So send me an email. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you don't mind, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. That means so much, and we'll see you next time.